Garage doors are one of the heaviest moving parts in a home, so the regular safety checks are very important. There are two key safety features of the garage door. The first one is a safety sensor. There are sensors just on both sides of the garage, and if something is blocking its way, the door shouldn't close like this. And if the sensor is interrupted while the door is closing, the door should reverse. The second feature is auto reverse. If the door meets any resistance while it is closing, it should stop and reverse. Let's see how it works. It works good. These safety features help prevent injury or damage, so check them regularly and retest after make any adjustment. I'm Jamie Lee, Certified Master Inspector. Thanks for watching.